Hello and welcome. I remain Joe Vika. Most time when we begin to expose some of our brothers who decided to turn a wickedness against our own people, which we call them Igbo Lani, they do all this evil in the name they are agitating for Biafra. They will come openly and display their ammunition and tell you no Biafra, no peace. Now, I want you to watch the video. When you finish watching, I will tell you the current situation of these particular young boys.
No Biafra, no peace! No Biafra, no peace! Who's the man? No Biafra, no peace! Who's the man? No Biafra, no peace! No Biafra, no peace! Who's the man?
You can hear them. No Biafra, no peace. Now, when you want to put peace, when you want to put hostility or violence in the so-called in the name you are looking for Biafra, why making your place that you are calling the Biafra uncomfortable? Why not make the people that are holding your so-called Biafra and you are putting pressure, pain, suffering, by loss of life in your own so-called Biafra? On any day we will do away with this Biafra, that is the day we'll begin to survive. I keep saying it. I don't know who gave you the notion that Biafra is synonymous with Igbo. How did this name came about? Mafia, bite of Biafra, from the Portuguese who came to trade business in the Riverine area, Opobo, Niger, Ijo. That was them, they brought it because there's a mafia in the Portuguese language. Those who live by the side of the sea or rivers. Now they came and brought it Biafra. There's no language that has it as Biafra in all the southeast and south languages. No language. It's a coin from Mafra, Portuguese. Now, who brought the name? It was the Portuguese that gave the name to the riverine people. That was why a Bayelsa man suggested the name to Ojukwu. Now, I want to tell you, as a father who has a son, who gives name to his children, is it not the father? And any name the father gives remains. That is Igbo culture. Father names his children. In the Bible says things were brought before Adam. He gave the name, and any name Adam gave to them, there remained their name. So now, this man suggested the name. Ojukwu adopted it for inclusiveness. But after the war, it was declared no vanquish, no war. There's no more Biafra after the war. Now, the same name that somebody suggested, you want to say Igbos are the name. So that means Frank Opigo is the one that named Igbo. Shame on you to believe that a stranger was the one who named you. Ancestors of Ndebo, Igbo name has been existed before Christ. That is, the Biafra started at the coming of the Portuguese. That you want to take the same Biafra that started sometime years, but about 18th century, to cover an ancient name that have existed all over. But why is it that the Ijos, whenever they want to have their faith, they don't put Biafra in their own? Are they stupid? The Ijos, the Opobos, the Boni, they don't bring in anything Biafra in their own name. Meanwhile, they are originators. They are the people that gather them. But it's only Igbo people that will use the same Biafra to be buying our people. To conclude in this particular broadcast, recently, since we started voicing out, peace are relatively coming in. Most of them are on the run. We know some of them have moved to Port. We are watching them. Since they are not causing any problem, we don't disturb them. We are watching them. Some of them are in Lagos. We know. Since you are not causing a problem, even though you make your call to tell your boys what to do, we are watching. But if you start causing problem, wherever you are, even if you leave, one of them want to leave to Ghana. We have heard about a story. We have heard about you. We don't have problem with you running away. Stop this business of buying our people in the name of Biafra. That is my own prayer for you. That's my request. Now, the same people that have been causing the people of Obinititi to run away from their city, that God by the infinite mercy brought peace back. There was a young man I told the guy with my encounter with Simon Ekpa. When that young man was kidnapped, I approached Simon Ekpa. Please, your boys has kidnapped an innocent man. A very good man for that matter. Simon asked me, is it wherever they do kidnapping, you think it's my boys? I said, no, but this one are your boys. He said, how do you know? I mentioned the name of this group, Gentle, name them. He said, how do you know it's Gentle and them? I said, look at their camp. I mentioned the name of the camp in Naronizog. Okay, just because how do you know it? I said, I have their numbers. He said, give me their numbers. I provided their numbers, 3 of them. When he saw the number, he said, okay. He made an effort to stop them from buying that guy, but unfortunately, they buyed him. Now, the same guy that was buying, his name is Chido Kereke. Now, his own brother have now started doing security work in Obinetita on this zone to protect the land with his team. Do you know this boy continuously to tell him the people that buyed your brother will also come and buy you. We want to protect Obinetiti. Look, can you imagine? But thank goodness today he told this our brother who said the way we buy your brother, we are going to come and buy you. But today, and he told you that you will not see 2026 because they had me telling the Gentle will not see 2026. He told this man the same thing, but today he is no more. Watch this video and judge for yourself. Some of you will also come and tell me why exposing this our brothers. The Northerners don't do it, but you can hear the Reverend who has continuously voiced it against his own Northerners. Yes, let's expose evil for evil to stop. It can't be my brother when you want to buy me. You are not looking for any Biafra. You want to reach yourself. Now that man, they burnt his vehicle from the beginning of this video. What did that man do? Is he the one holding their Biafra? This is a man that has his vehicle. Who knows if he bought that vehicle on high purchase? Who knows that is the only source of livelihood? Who knows? And maybe they even buy the man. Why all this? He say you are looking for Biafra. Biafra means disaster. As far as I'm concerned, I've lost my relative because somebody issued an order by police people, and they buy my relative. When we speak, you tell us don't talk. He's a good man. God will judge you. May what happened to us happen to you. May how happen to those people that buy happen to you, so that let's know how you go about it. Please watch this video. Evil must leave Ala Igbo. And when we start to talk, you tell us we are not Igbo. Somebody who is saying, let's stop buying our people. Expose evil. We are not Igbo. It's you that is Igbo. Watch the video.
Onye lụrụ indọstrị n'ama ya nwekwa ọzọ n'ala Igbo. Ịrụ ya n'ala Igbo, ndị ntorobịa ga-enwe ọlụ. Kidnap na-akwụsị iji egbe zuru ala. Udo na ọṅụ achịbe eze, ala Igbo adị mma. Olisado ịhụnanya gị ka m na-arịọ. Iji n'otu n'ala Igbo wetara anyị ịhụnanya. Ihe anyị basịla nwanne m nwanne ya wela. Udo na ọṅụ achịbe eze, ala Igbo ama mma. Igbo